Last year, we introduced the rectangle piercing layers for A2, A6, and A7 cards, and now we're expanding the collection for more nesting dies featuring the same piercing detail. We're adding squares, circles, ovals, and a ticket frame. We'll use the ticket frames as an example to show you how to create a visual reference card that makes it easy to find the right size for your project. Start by cutting all the layers from both white and craft cardstock. The largest frame in the set is slightly smaller than A2, so we'll begin with the A2 size panel in white, followed by the largest frame in craft, and then the second largest frame in white, alternating colors as we go. Before gluing the layers down, we number each one to match the die used for that layer. Once you alternate the layers, you end up with 2 stacks. Glue one stack onto your reference card for easy viewing, and keep the other stack loose for more flexibility when planning your layouts. Your card may end up looking totally different than planned, but that's part of the fun, isn't it?